Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wolt delivery, food and more on the application of Wolt. We go to settings here as you see and we click. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Wolt delivery. Wolt app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your